Hello and welcome to my channel, The Roaming Investor. As travel enthusiasts, we all know how much fun it is to explore new places and cultures, but it can often be expensive. Fortunately, there are several ways to use AI to make travel more affordable and enjoyable. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 ways you can leverage AI to save money while traveling. From finding the best deals on flights and accommodations to discovering hidden gems in your destination, these AI-powered travel tips will help you make the most of your next adventure. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered travel. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support more content from this channel. AI travel apps. The first way you can use AI to travel and save money is by using travel apps powered by AI. These apps can help you find the best deals on flights, hotels, and rental cars by analyzing pricing trends and historical data. Some great examples of AI-powered travel apps include Hopper, Kayak, and Expedia. Book flights at the right time. AI can also help you save money on flights by telling you when the best time to book is. Airlines often use dynamic pricing to adjust ticket prices based on demand, so it can be tough to know when to book to get the best deal. However, apps like Hopper can analyze pricing trends and tell you when prices are likely to go up or down, so you can book at the right time and save money. Use chatbots for customer service. Many airlines and hotels now use chatbots powered by AI to provide customer service. These chatbots can answer common questions, help you make changes to your reservations, and even suggest local attractions to visit. By using chatbots instead of calling customer service, you can save time and avoid long hold times. AI travel assistants. Another way to use AI to travel and save money is by using travel assistants like Hello G-Buy. These assistants use natural language processing and machine learning to understand your travel preferences and help you find the best deals on flights, hotels, and activities. By using a travel assistant, you can save time and money by getting personalized recommendations based on your unique needs. AI translation apps. If you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language, AI-powered translation apps can be a lifesaver. Apps like Google Translate can translate text, speech, and even images in real time, making it easy to communicate with locals and navigate unfamiliar places. By using translation apps, you can save money by avoiding expensive tour guides or language classes. AI budgeting apps. Traveling can be expensive, but AI-powered budgeting apps like Mint can help you keep your spending in check. These apps can analyze your spending habits and provide personalized recommendations to help you save money and stick to your budget. By using a budgeting app, you can avoid overspending and ensure you have enough money for your trip. AI travel insurance. Finally, you can use AI to save money on travel insurance by getting personalized recommendations based on your unique needs. Apps like Lemonade use AI to analyze your travel plans and suggest the best insurance coverage for your trip. By using an AI-powered travel insurance app, you can save money by getting the right coverage without paying for unnecessary extras. There are many ways you can use AI to travel and save money. From using AI-powered travel apps to booking flights at the right time, there are plenty of tools and resources available to help you save money and make the most of your trip. So next time you're planning a trip, be sure to consider how AI can help you save money and make your travels even more enjoyable. Let me know in the comment what's the best way for you to book your travels and how do you save money while doing so. Thanks for watching.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.